The Happijac Remote Controller 25A is designed to seamlessly replace your wireless remote for Happijac camper jack systems, ensuring effortless operation with just a push of a button. This remote controller is compatible with a variety of camper jack systems, making it a versatile and essential tool for any camper or RV enthusiast. Constructed with high-quality materials, the Happijac Remote Controller features a durable design that protects against rust, enhancing both longevity and appearance. The remote controller is part of a comprehensive system that includes jacks capable of lifting significant weights, demonstrating its ability to handle heavy-duty tasks. For over 50 years, Happijac has been a leader in the RV industry, known for their meticulous research and engineering, ensuring products that are reliable and efficient. The Happijac Remote Controller 25A is a testament to Lippert's commitment to enhancing outdoor experiences, offering premium products that cater to a wide array of recreational needs.